A few words about the history of with analytic field. It's only about less than 10 years old, starting in 2003, when the national labs led by Jim Thomas and Doug Lemon started organizing this whole efforts with a group of scientists. One of the maps I was trying to show you is the national and regional centers of with analytical research, where Penn State is one of the 5 regional centers, and we are specialized in geo-visual analytics. I mean, with analytical reasoning on geospatial data and information. Okay? By the way, I'm part of this center and have been involved in visual analytical research through this center and funded by the Department of Homeland Security. One of the ways we can articulate that is through discussing what are the grand challenges that our fields trying to deal with this. Visual analytics started with the grand challenge of homeland security, border control, and terrorist prevention. Okay? But I believe this field is much broader than that. Okay? Particularly, we have seen businesses have huge potentials to apply visual analytic techniques for business intelligence. Many of the processes principles are very similar. Maybe the different degree of urgency and risk are quite a bit different. The process should be the same. I would like to conclude this lecture by mentioning a few points. First, we assume that the data are coming to us already in tabular form. Most of you know relational database, and things organized in tables are already in certain schema. Some knowledge about relational database will be helpful, but if you don't know them, it's fine. Okay, I will help you to catch up. And that will solve and basically kind of exclude some of the topics about text mining and data gathering process. Okay? And we're going to focus purely on the use of analytical reasoning technology for geographical data. Geographic data has its own complexity and is also well applied to many fields. We're going to use the next topic, which is half of this module, to discuss the nature of geographic data and the problem we can analyze using geographic analysis.